मिटींग कसली आशिल्ली
Let's discuss about.
ओके
किती डिस्कशन झालं मेजर किती डिस्कशन झालं
Agenda किती आशिल्लो?
Or minor.
माहिती
पण कित्याचेर एजेंडा कितें आशिल्लो
खूंय पावलां आमगेलें सगळे ब्लॉक न्यू कमिटीज आमगे आयिल्ली कमिटी
ओके
सगळे ब्लॉक रेडी आहा सगळे 40 ब्लॉक रेडी आहा
कित्याक काल एक तुमची मिटींग जाली पळय दिना तुका ब्लॉकाच्या लोकांनीच बोंब मारली की प्रेसिडेंटाक आमकांच कांय खबर ना आनी हें ना तें ना म्हणून ओके पूण तुमी ऑल आउट गियर टू गो इन ऑल असेंब्ली सेक्शन्स टू स्टार्ट ते इलेक्शन्साचे कंपनी
कॉमेस करे म्हणून देखून each one is given 4 constituencies.
ओके
So there we have to start.
Congress is ready to start campaign.
Oh, they have already started.
ओके
Any alliances that you will talk
The
about?
alliance is kind of very
You
bad.
are the chairman of the finance committee.
Yes.
So as far as going in elections and all this, how it is for Congress?
What finance? There's still time.
ओके आनी एक इशू म्हणटा की आयज एक ट्वीट येयलेलो आसा लुईजिन फेलोरो हॅज बीन नॉमिनेटेड टू PMC राज्यसभा यू आर नॉमिनेटेड यू आर एन MP from so how it is yeah Lok Sabha so how do you see this as far as no one will nominate to Rajya Sabha
See, the question every 2 years, 1/3 they get maybe one of them. I don't know. I'll still be fine.
Also see Aam Aadmi Party's caste-based and religion-based politics.
So unfortunate that in Goa, caste is not a factor.
okay
And I don't know who has guided or misguided them. So they are talking about caste. My point is, if that candidate loses election, then what will they do? Report from somebody.
पण डेप्युटी सीएम तेणी सीएम भंडारी समोसा डेप्युटी सीएम कॅथलीक
मागीर
कम्युनिटी
तशें म्हणून तुका तो भांडारी आहा तो म्हणून पेड्डे जालो मागीर खुंयचा भांडारी हाडून भोंवतले CM करपाक देखूय जाता अरे कास्टाचे केन्ना CM जाता एक बोर मनीस आनी हू नोज गवर्नन्स whom people like. What is caste? After you get elected, there's only one caste and religion, and that is humanity.